What the fuck?
Oh.
How are people so dumb that they actually believe in lizard people?
So stupid.
You wanna go smoke amongst the trees?
Why not? It'll feel like the 60s again.
Like, I'm all for conspiracy theories, but they gotta make some sense.
Right, like the Nazi Arctic base.
Exactly. Giant base in the middle of nowhere that no one knows about so you can do whatever fucked up experiments you want. Total Nazi shit.
Total Nazi shit.
Wait. What the fuck? Dude! This is sick. Come on. I bet it leads to the perfect smoke spot.
Hell fucking no.
What?
I'm not going down there.
Oh my god, Karen. It's a tunnel of nature. What could happen?
This fucking bitch always finding crazy ass ways for us to tempt fate and fucking die in ridiculous ways.
Karen, shut up. Look at this.
Fuck you, you don't tell me to shut up, you.
You see that, right?
Okay, I don't need to be transported to another dimension right now.
I'm going in.
Babara, no! Babara, you fucking bitch! Why do you do these things?
Karen, we're old as hell. At this point, if I see a portal, I'm going through. I don't give a shit how potentially dangerous it could be. I want a new experience.
You really are nuts.
You just figured that out?
I mean, no, but...
Well, that was close enough.
You had to say it.
Will you stop being so...
Me? You're the...
Lizard person!
Oh. Lizard people aren't real.
What the fuck is going on?
Babara and Karen. That's not necessary. I just wanted to tell you two that you are tripping balls.
Nope! Okay, these shrooms are very strong. We should get a taxi home and watch cartoons.
That sounds so nice.
Okay, portal bitch, let's go.
We probably shouldn't have done the heroic dose.
Case said they weren't that strong. His tolerance is way too high. I gotta cut him off.